Hello everyone and welcome to the Blender class again. Today we will see about shadow, background footage and compositing in Blender. I'll not take you much time, so let's get started. This is my footage, live footage, which I'm going to take it as a background in my scene. So this is my file and this is our project. Select camera, select on background image, open movie clip, select our background file, movie file and open clip. Background will be visible in camera view. Click on animation tab, select camera. On right side panel, press Z and select material preview from shading menu. So our character will be visible with the texture. So total number of frames, there are 371 frames in Mixamo animation. So we need to change our total number of frames in Blender. Click here and make it 370. Let's play the animation for a while. Animation looks good, perfect, but it's not natural because it does not have shadow. So we need to have shadow for our character. First of all, save our blend file. Then click on animation tab. Select the character, place Shift S and select cursor to select it. The cursor is placed in the exact center of the scene. So Shift A to add blend, S to scale. Click on camera for camera view. Select plane and S to scale. Don't rotate the plane. Select UV editing. Left side panel, select object mode. Select camera on left side panel and move camera. Press G and move camera on left side. Camera we will show you preview. R to rotate camera and G to move. You can rotate and move camera, but don't rotate plane. Properly adjust plane on the floor of the footage. I think now it's perfect. Save the blend file. Always keep saving your work. On output, on right side tab, toolbar, go to film, click on transparent. Click on shadows, change cube size to 1024, cascade size to 2048. Select plane and create new material. On left side panel, open shader editing. Delete default node principal BSDF and shift A to add diffuse BSDF node. Then shift A to add shader to RGB and connect diffuse to shader to RGB. Then shift A to add RGB to BW and then connect it to shader to RGB. Then shift A to add color ramp and connect it to RGB to BW. Then shift A to add mix shader and connect color ramp to mix shader on FAC. And connect mix shader to output on surface. Then once again add diffuse node and connect it to mix shader 1. Shift it to add transparent node, connect it to mix shader. On right side toolbar, click on blend mode and select alpha blend. Say delete default light, shift it to add sun, above the character Z, make strength to 4, press Z for render view. Shadow is still not visible. I'll move sun little left. I'll adjust sun accordingly. Shadow is visible now, but not clear. Great. You need to adjust some parameters for plane, because if I rotate or move sun, plane also gets visible. So select plane. In material properties, select backface value. Now we need to adjust shader parameters. If I change diffuse color, then plane gets slightly invisible. Adjust color ramp and see the effect in the rendered view. Select sun. I'll make strength 5.0. Good. Now plane is invisible. Excellent. It's done. Save your blend file. Select first diffuse node and change value to the maximum white. Then change second diffuse node value to maximum white. Save your blend file. Select Compositing tab, select Use Nodes, Shift A to add movie clip node, select movie clip, then Shift A to add viewer node, Shift A to add alpha over and connect alpha over to viewer as well as composition. And Shift A to add scale node, and place this node after movie clip node. Select render size, and connect alpha over to viewer node. Select render image. Wow, it's working. Save blend file. Now change output properties and output folder on right side toolbar. Open folder where you want to save your rendered movie file. View file name, accept. Now select file format to AVI, save. Now go to object mode on modeling tab. Animation tab. Test animation. Check for any problems before render, before final render. I find some problems on clothes, so we can solve it by sculpting. Use draw tool and pattern tool, smooth tool. Solve this problem. It is done. Add modifier subdivision surface for more smooth mesh character. Now press Z for render view. Select render view from shading menu. Adjust sun shadow. Move sun and match connector shadow with actual footage shadow. It should look realistic. I think it's fine. Now disable subdivision surface for white. Now go to UV editing. On left side panel select camera and press G to move and R to rotate camera. On right side panel review your character. Move camera on left side. I think it's good. Now character in exact center of the camera, exact center of the footage. Now before final render, don't forget to enable subdivision surface again. Save your blend file. Finally render animation. Finally we are finished with working shadows and background footage. Now in next part we will cover most important topic, that is face rig. Thank you very much for being with us. Stay tuned with us. See you in next part. Bye. Stay home. Stay safe.